Hello, everyone. Welcome to another English speaking practice lesson. I'm really happy you're here today. If you want to speak English more naturally, more confidently, and more fluently, then you're in the right place. Today's lesson is simple, but very powerful. We're going to practice English using the shadowing method. Thousands of English learners around the world use this technique every day. And today, you'll use it too. Here's how it works. First, listen carefully to my voice. Don't read too fast. Don't try to translate every word. Just listen. After each sentence, repeat exactly what you hear. Copy my pronunciation. Copy my rhythm. Copy my intonation. Imagine you're my echo. If I speak, you speak. If I pause, you pause. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every sentence you repeat makes your English stronger. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Okay, morning routine practice. Sentence 1. Listen, I wake up early every morning. Now repeat. Excellent. 2. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Now repeat. Very good. 3. Fresh water helps me feel awake and refreshed. Repeat. Nice job. 4. Then I brush my teeth carefully. Repeat. Great. 5. Listen. I wash my face with cool water. Repeat. Perfect. 6. I look in the mirror and smile. Repeat. Keep going. You're doing great. 7. I comb my hair before getting dressed. Repeat. Excellent. I put on clean and comfortable clothes. Now repeat. Very nice. Sentence 9. Listen. I make my bed before leaving my room. Repeat. Excellent. Sentence 10. Listen. I feel fresh and ready for the day. Repeat. Fantastic. You've completed your first 10 sentences. You're doing an amazing job. Keep speaking. Keep improving. Now let's continue. Sentence 11. Listen. I walk into the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Now repeat. Great job. Sentence 12. Listen. I make eggs and toast for breakfast. Repeat. Excellent. Sentence 13. Listen. I enjoy a hot cup of coffee every morning. Repeat. Very good. Sentence 14. Listen. I read the news on my phone while eating. Repeat. Nice work. Sentence 15. Listen. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. Repeat. Perfect. Sentence 16. Listen. I choose my clothes for work carefully. Repeat. Excellent. Sentence 17. Listen. I check the weather before going outside. Repeat. Well done. Sentence 18. I pack everything I need for the day. Repeat. Great. Sentence 19. I make sure I have my phone, wallet, and keys. Repeat. Fantastic. Sentence 20. Listen. I'm ready to leave the house and start my day. Repeat. Amazing. You've now completed 20 useful English sentences. Every sentence you repeat makes your English more natural. Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep listening, keep repeating, and keep improving. Now, let's move on to the final part of today's lesson. Listen, I leave my house at the same time every morning. Now repeat. Excellent. Listen, I walk to the nearest bus stop. Repeat. Very good. Listen, I enjoy the fresh morning air on my way. Repeat. Great job. Listen, I listen to English podcasts while traveling. Repeat. Excellent. Listen, I arrive at work a few minutes early. Repeat. Fantastic. Listen, I greet my coworkers with a friendly smile. Repeat. Very nice. Listen, I organize my desk before I begin working. Repeat. Keep it up. Listen, I check my schedule for the day. Repeat. Excellent. Listen, I finish my most important tasks first. Repeat. Amazing. Listen, I always try to do my best at work. Repeat. Outstanding. Congratulations! You just completed all 30 English sentences. That's a wonderful achievement. Remember, speaking English is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. Don't worry if you couldn't say every sentence perfectly today. The important thing is that you practiced. Come back tomorrow. Practice these sentences again. You'll be surprised by how much easier they become. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Our next lesson will help you learn 30 more useful English sentences for everyday conversations. Until then, keep listening, keep speaking, keep practicing, and most importantly, never give up. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Part 2, Afternoon and Evening Routine. I'm so happy you're here again. I hope you practiced the sentences from our last lesson. Today, we're going to continue with another 30 useful English sentences. This time, we'll practice common sentences you can use during the afternoon and evening. Remember the shadowing method. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat exactly what you hear. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just keep speaking. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sentence 1. Listen. I finish my work in the afternoon. Now repeat. Excellent. Sentence 2. Listen. I take a short break and drink some water. Repeat. Very good. Sentence 3. Listen. I talk with my coworkers before leaving. Repeat. Great job. Sentence 4. Listen. I leave the office at the end of the day. Repeat. Excellent. Sentence 5. Listen. I walk to the bus stop after work. Repeat. Nice work. Sentence 6. Listen. I enjoy listening to music on my way home. Repeat. Very good. Sentence 7. Listen. I arrive home feeling a little tired. Repeat. Excellent. Sentence 8. I change into comfortable clothes. Repeat. Great. Sentence 9. I wash my hands and relax for a while. Repeat. Fantastic. Sentence 10. I spend some time with my family. Wonderful. You've completed the first 10 afternoon and evening sentences. Let's continue. Congratulations. You have just completed 10 useful English sentences for your afternoon and evening routine. Excellent work today. Remember, learning English is a journey. Every time you listen, every time you repeat, and every time you practice, you become a little more confident. Don't worry if you missed a few words. Simply come back, play this lesson again, and practice one more time. Consistency is the key to speaking English naturally. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Our next lesson will help you practice 30 new English sentences for real-life conversations. Until next time, keep listening, keep shadowing, keep improving. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.